every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but
Welcome po. Welcome aboard.
It's so nice.
Bakit ganun? Kathleen.
Ano, bababa na daw?
Pagpasok mo, makikita mo tong dalawang to sa hotel. Sila yung ng mga... So, meron silang, ano dyan, maglalagay ka lang ng barya dyan. So, after that, pasok ka dito. Ayan. Ayan. Merong pang pa-welcome. Pa-welcome. Welcome to Punta Baler. Ayan. And then, this going to bar. Yan. Pero pupuntahan natin yan mamaya. And then, kailangan na muna natin i-check yung mukha natin bago tayo pumasok. Ayan. Oh, and then, as you enter here, may bubungad sa yung mga receptionist dito. Here. Ayan. Ayan. Diba? Ang gaganda ng mga receptionist. And after that, ito yung lobby nila. Ang lawag ng lobby. Okay. And then, you can see lot of ano here.
let's go. Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Pasalubong sa'yo, they have their stuff. Tapos, so, andito naman tayo ngayon sa dining area nila ng hotel. So, sobrang daming upuan, no? Ang daming mga spots kung saan ka pwedeng umupo. Pumili ka lang kung saan ka pwedeng pumili. Pero mag-ingat sa pipiliin, baka mahulog ka. Cheers! So, ngayon, tignan naman natin yung view. Oh, as you can see the view, talagang sobrang nakaka-relax. Ang sarap kumain kasi katabi mo ang dagat. Siyempre, kailangan mong magmuni-muni dyan. Kapag umaga, titingin ka ng mga chul papi o kaya chul daddy. Ayan. At meron din dito dalawang apam. At kung type ka naman nila, sis, baka ikaw na ang hinahanap ng dalawang apam. O sige, tingin-tingin pa tayo sa paligid. Pero wala na. Nagsisurf na lang ang mga natitira dyan. So as you can see sa paligid natin, it's really good for surfing, no? Like I think Baler is the capital surfing of the north. Hindi ko lang sure. Search mo po yan. Ay. Tagal naman tong mga afam. Naghahanap pa tong afam ng ano nila. Ng kanilang mga chikana. Ang ganda talaga ng Baler. May infinity pools. As you can see, meron silang infinity pool dito. Oo. Diba? Parang nakaano yung infinity pool nila. So itong pool naman nila is located on their second floor. Bali sa first floor ka, tapos may hagdanan doon dito sa second floor. Ito yung kanilang infinity pool. Tignan nyo naman, dikit ang pool saka sa dun sa dagat. Oh, pero maingay po tayo dyan ha, kasi itong mga squammy nating friends, nandyan, naliligo na sila. Nagtatapisaw na sila sa tubig.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah.
Namin. So bali itong room ni Tamara, ni Isabel, saka ni Kathleen ay standard quad. Ang rate niya is 6,300. Ito kasi overview, ang ganda. Mas maganda na naman to, te.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.